In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Drive with Microsoft Outlook using Zapier. This integration can streamline your workflow by allowing you to easily manage files and emails across these two powerful platforms. Let's dive into the steps to get you all set up. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zapier homepage. Once you are on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button, which is usually visible on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will allow you to start a new Zap, which is Zapier's term for a workflow automation. After clicking on Create, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll find the option to click on Zaps once more. This section houses all the applications and automated workflows you'll configure. Here's where we'll start the process of connecting your Google Drive and Microsoft Outlook. Now in the Copilot message box, you'll want to type in a simple command or prompt that expresses what you're aiming to achieve. In our case, you'll enter something like Connect Google Drive and Microsoft Outlook. This will help Zapier understand exactly what integration you want to create. Once you've entered your command, Zapier will present you with an automated list of steps that can be added to your Zap with just a click. Go ahead and click on Add All Steps to Zap to proceed. This action sets the foundation for your automation. At this stage, you'll need to select a trigger event. A trigger event is the activity in Google Drive that prompts an automated action in Outlook. Choose the event that best matches your needs. For instance, you might select a trigger that activates when a new file is added to your Google Drive. Following this, you'll be asked to sign into your Google Drive account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to provide your login credentials safely. Once signed in, click on the test button to ensure that the connection is working correctly. If the test is successful, you'll be ready to set up the next part of your automation. Next, you're going to configure the action event in Microsoft Outlook. Begin by clicking on Microsoft Outlook as the app where your action will occur. Here, you'll select what will happen in Outlook as a result of the trigger in Google Drive. Like before, you'll be prompted to sign into Outlook. Enter your credentials to establish a secure connection and click on Test once again to verify that everything is in order. Finally, once both your trigger and action configurations have been tested successfully, you can click on Publish to activate your Zap. Congratulations, you've just connected Google Drive with Microsoft Outlook. As you've seen, integrating these two platforms with Zapier is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your productivity. Now you can manage and automate your files and emails with ease, ensuring a seamless workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.